Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to install Internet Download Manager and activate it for free. Okay, so we are going to do that. We're gonna do the installation first. We are done. We are not going to open it first. You see, they say Internet Download Manager has not been registered for 30 days. Trial period is over and IDM is exciting. That's good. I'm gonna fix this problem. Can close. Okay, we must read this first. First of all, recommend to install cleaner. Find the program file, IDM, let's see if exists and file another. Just delete them. Need to delete this one. Let's find it. Nappy. Can't find it here. Let's try IDM. It's not here. Let's try to find it. And I need to remove this one. It's not in. Look. Make for this one. Not in. I'm gonna paste those two. Let's read most. Paste it inside. And this one. Batch. Okay, it's done. Now let's try to see if it's working. Okay, let's click OK. Extension. IDM. Here I'm gonna activate it. Okay. As you can see, now it's open. Go to Facebook. Refresh. As you can see here, let's download this video. You see, it activates. You see, it's working. Okay, let's see. You see, this is the download. If I say about, as you can see here, it have been activated. You can see version full. Okay, so this is how you download and activate Internet Download Manager. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Ciao.